I'm here outside in my gorgeous Tanzanian garden. It's Ama Opari from Food for the Soul, and here on this channel I share tips and tools you can use to make your plant-based and healthy lifestyle work for you. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to get your free copy of My Secrets to a Flavor-Filled Vegan Kitchen, because there's no reason that healthy food needs to be boring. Habari za siku nyingi. It's been a good long while since I've made a video, especially a recipe video. And today I'm sharing an easy to make, delicious vegan banana bread recipe, sugar-free banana bread recipe that I adapted from a recipe that my amazing next door neighbor gave me. I'm out here in the garden getting some fresh lemongrass so we can make some ginger lemongrass tea to go along with it. So let's go inside and see how to make this delicious vegan sugar-free banana bread recipe. To make the banana bread, you'll need 4 very ripe bananas. The blacker the skin, the better. You're going to break them up into pieces, and then you're going to mash them until they're pretty smooth. This is enough to make 1 medium-sized loaf or 12 to 14 muffins, depending on how big you make them. So mash, mash, mash. You can use a potato masher or you can use a fork to get it as smooth as you can. Some lumps are fine, just no big pieces. Then to this, I'm going to add some coconut oil, and it's going to be 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other light flavored oil. Then some vanilla. I'm using vanilla paste, so I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon, but if you're going to be using regular vanilla extract, you will use 1 teaspoon. And we're going to mix these wet ingredients together. Also, some cinnamon and some cardamom, 2 teaspoons of each. And I will mix it all together. And then we will go to the dry ingredients. And so I have a total of 1.5 cups of flour, a combination of sweet potato flour and regular flour, and some oats, like for oatmeal. These are just the instant oats. And then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just a little bit of salt. Pinch or 2 of salt, and mix those ingredients together. Now I'm making half of this batch plain and half the batch chocolate, so if I was going to make it all chocolate, I would add the chocolate powder to the dry and then add it in. But because I'm splitting it up, I'm going to just add the flour baking soda powder mixture, and we will mix it up thoroughly until all of the dry ingredients are mixed into the wet. You don't need to add any water unless it just seems really, really, really dry, but it should be fine without. And then I'm going to add it into a parchment-lined loaf pan. This is a pretty small one because, as I said, I'm going to be making 1/2 and 1/2. Now, normally you could add in here raisins or walnuts or some other mix-ins. And once again, because I'm doing 1/2 and 1/2, I'm going to not add the raisins in now. I'm going to add them, just put them in after, put them on top. But yeah, raisins, cranberries, walnuts or pecans, whatever turns you on. Smooth it all out, and then we will add the raisins. These are golden raisins. I'm sprinkling them on top and then pressing them in some until I get it, distributed nicely throughout the loaf. And then we will move on to the chocolate. So now I will add the cocoa powder. It is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the remainder of the mixture. I think I could have used a little bit more, or could add some chocolate chips, vegan chocolate chips, or dark chocolate or something like that also. Tasted good, but it could have been a little bit more chocolatey. Well, this time I'm making them into muffins, and just fill the muffin things about 2/3 of the way full. These don't rise up a great deal, so you don't need a whole lot of extra room for rising. And then I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about, well, these are a small loaf pan and muffins, so about 20 minutes. You need to really just check. Use a toothpick, press it in, poke it in, and when the toothpick comes out dry, then you know that it is done all the way through. And here they are. Here's the chocolate ones. They're nice and moist on the inside. It looks tasty. Here's the loaf. Also looking nice and moist inside. And here's your chocolate banana bread muffins and your banana raisin bread. So let's give it a taste. Here's the chocolate one. Tasty. Could be a bit more chocolatey though. Next time, more chocolate. But good. Here's the regular one. Very good too. So I'll give this banana bread a try. Sugar free. Still sweet because of the bananas. Very, very delicious. Along with some yummy lemongrass tea, and you got a great snack. Till next time, I'm Ama Opari from Food for the Soul with this delicious banana bread recipe. Kwaheri. Till next time. Bye-bye.